This video was uploaded just 9 days ago, and it already crossed 6.5 million views. But here's the crazy part. It's just an ant with a tiny camera on its body, exploring underground tunnels, no expensive equipment, no complex software. I recreated the same viral style video using 100% free AI tools, and the entire process takes only a few minutes. Even better, I built a master prompt that automatically generates viral video ideas, image prompts, and full video prompts. But listen carefully, just copying the master prompt won't make your video go viral. There's one critical step most people miss. Miss that step, and your video won't be same as mine. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create these viral POV Explorer videos yourself. Let's start. First, copy this master prompt, then open ChatGPT and simply paste the prompt. Once you hit send, the system starts working automatically. The first thing it asks is, how many video ideas do you want? You can enter any number between 1 and 10. For example, let's say we enter 6 ideas. Within seconds, it generates 6 unique POV video concepts. If you don't like them, no problem. Just type, provide more unique ideas, and it instantly generates a new set of ideas. Once you find an idea you like, select it. Now the system asks for the video orientation. Choose vertical for shorts, horizontal for long videos. Next step, it asks for the number of scenes. For shorts, you can choose around 20 scenes. For longer videos, you can go beyond 20 scenes. Let's say we choose 6 scenes. Now watch what happens. The system instantly generates 1 initial image prompt and 6 detailed video prompts. Each prompt represents 1 scene of the video. Now we move to the next step. Copy the image prompt first, then go to gemini.google.com. Make sure the Pro model is selected, click on Create Image, paste the prompt, and hit Send. Within seconds, your starting image is generated. Download this image. Now open Grok Imagine. This will be our free AI video generator. Upload the image we just created. If Grok automatically starts generating a video, just cancel it because we want to control the scenes. Now copy video prompt 1 from ChatGPT, paste it inside Grok Imagine, hit generate, and within a few seconds, your first video clip is ready. Before downloading it, click the upscale option. Once the video is enhanced, you'll see the HD badge. Now download the clip. Next, we generate scene 2. And here's a powerful trick. And instead of starting from scratch, we use the last frame of this scene 1. Just pause the video. If the pause button isn't visible, click the small media control icon near your Chrome profile picture and pause it from there. Now go to the last frame of the video, right-click, and copy the frame image. Then go back to Grok Imagine, paste the frame using Ctrl+V, select Make Video. Now copy video prompt 2 from ChatGPT, paste it, hit Generate, and just like that, scene 2 is ready again. Upscale it, download it. Now repeat the same process. Use the last frame of scene 2 to generate scene 3, then scene 4, scene 5, and scene 6. Once all clips are ready, we move to the final step. Grok videos include a watermark, so I've provided a free website link in the description that removes the watermark automatically. Upload the clips, remove the watermark, download the clean versions. Now open your favorite video editor, import all the clips, drag them onto the timeline in the correct order, preview the full video once. If everything looks good, export the final version. To export in 4K vertical format, use resolution 2160 by 3840, quality high, hit export, and within seconds, your viral POV Explorer video is ready to upload. Now here's something even easier. If you don't want to use the long master prompt, I built a custom GPT that does everything automatically. Open ChatGPT. Click GPTs in the left sidebar. Search for Creature POV Explorer. You'll see my custom GPT called Creature POV Explorer by Zapiwala AI. Start the chat. Click this option to start using GPT, then simply enter the number of ideas you want. Select the idea you like, choose the orientation, enter the number of scenes, and instantly your image prompt and video prompts are generated. You can then follow the same steps that we learned earlier to create your full video. If you found this tutorial helpful, if you want to learn how to create viral bunker construction AI time-lapse videos, you definitely don't want to miss above video.